I'm trying to make fire and it is not going well. I built a shelter. The skies are darkening now. Anxiety is now one of the most diagnosed mental illnesses in the UK. It's like when you hear the final boss music at the end of a film or a video game, but it's just constant, and then the final boss just never turns up. A lot of men feel it's taboo to speak up about it, and especially to get help. But I found a different type of treatment in the forest that's trying to encourage men to get help for it, but in a really different way. So I wanted to go and see if Caveman Therapy could help my anxiety.
I'm going to take you back to your true self, your hunter-gatherer, your caveman self. And my belief is that it will help to reduce your anxiety. I decided to become a counsellor and always knew I loved being out in nature. The counselling and being outside, I wanted to bring those two things together. For hundreds of thousands of years, our brains have been evolving to be hunter-gatherers, to be the perfect cavemen, to go out foraging, to build shelters, and to be in the forest. Yet in the blink of an evolutionary eye, we have gone into this industrial, digital age, and our brains literally can't cope.
We're going to be using this real caveman tool. This is called a fire bow.
So I'm going to be basically concentrating so hard on doing this that I'm not going to be ruminating or thinking all the other thoughts and getting anxious about other things. Is that the idea?
I would say so. I think you'll be absolutely concentrating on this.
The tribal element absolutely helps men to open up. And there's something about that feeling of community that allows men particularly to be able to open up and say, well, this is me, this is the real me. That is where healing can occur.
I don't feel like my thoughts are racing as much as they normally do. I don't feel as jittery. It's all about trying to get present, and whatever way that works for you is gonna help.